Alright, so next we're going to check the fluid level in the differential. The easiest place to get under here is back by the sewer drain and the muffler. It's still an incredibly tight, well, this isn't so bad, but it's tight getting under here. So let me get under here and I'll be right back. Alright, so there is a plug on the back. That's the one we're going to use. I'm just checking to make sure there's not one up here. So let's reposition to the back. Oh my God. Alright. Alright. Plug. I don't see anything higher. Wish I knew what that was. Some beauty shots. Zero two 3201 P 4124, a serial number 9 of 71, no ratio. Alright, well, it is what it is. Alright, output shaft. So I guess that's it. That's a drain, and I guess that's the fill. Alright. Let me get a wrench. I'll be back. Alright. Yeah, I don't see any others. Well, it has oil, so I'm gonna call that good. Just wanna make sure it wasn't dry, and it's not. I really don't think that's the right fill plug either. All right, we're good. We're done back here.